So we're headed back out to beautiful downtown Witch Wells, Arizona, which is way out here. Last Sunday I posted about picking up a travel trailer, and that wasn't possible. I get out there and the tires are missing and all sorts of problems with it. So I had to go into town to get parts, new tire, get a rim fixed, and a ladder. You'll see why. But heading back out there, hopefully pull this thing out today. Shouldn't be a problem. Just a lot of stuff out there. I broke my windshield again. So I arrived at the property to get the trailer, and it turns out, well, it looks like he's removed the tires and the wheels from the axles as a security measure. And so I just got done clearing away all the garbage in front of the trailer. That looks decent. The wheels and tires on this side are intact, it looks like. So I might have to do some digging to get the trailer out and find some wheels for it. So I went inside. It's not pretty. So great job digging, man. Well, I got it home without running out of gas on the way home and receiving a flat tire. So